everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyasha Das, and today we're going to talk about all the important information related to CMAT. Technically speaking, CMAT is the last important MBA entrance examination in this academic year, and the ones who are really serious about it and do not want to take any risk regarding this exam are going to watch this video till the end. So in this video, I'm going to tell you what is the distribution of the most important topics coming in all the different sections of CMAT, and most importantly, what are the resources you should refer to so that your preparation is completely solid, head fast, and you know where to focus the most so that you get the most of the things out of the least of the efforts. So working on the smarter direction, I'll first show you my distribution, because look, when it comes to Priyasha Das, it is all numbers, all logic, and no bullshit. So here we will be talking about exactly how has the distribution been in the past 5 years. अच्छे से देखेंगे, समझेंगे, and with entire data बात करेंगे. Otherwise just talking कि देखा गया है कि ये ऐसा होता है, it is said that this happens, or this is the predicted paper, is not my thing, guys. I show you numbers and I show you data. So here I'm going to show you the data, after which I'll show you the most important thing, which is the place from where you can actually get all the things in one place and have a very dedicated and focused preparation. So let's get started. Here we go to the PDF. Welcome to the PDF, guys, where we will be talking about how are the important topics being distributed, and this data is being covered right from 2019 up till the last year 2023, where we see that the number of arithmetic questions have been decreasing over the year, which is a good sign for the ones who are not so comfortable with it. But see, again, I would be saying there's a predictive pattern which you can see that the number of arithmetic might not increase this year. Talking about algebra as well, the focus on algebra was quite less in the last year and the last to last year as well compared to the other 3 years around. Number system, geometry, modern maths, and data interpretation. If you see the division, you would see that more of the focus has been shifted towards DI now. If I come down to the logical reasoning part, then under logical reasoning, there is a other miscellaneous section as well, like syllogisms and odd sentence out, argument statements. इन सबको cumulative effort काफी ज़्यादा देखने को मिलता है compared to the other factors, but then they are always steadily been a part of it. So when you start your logical reasoning preparation, you know these are the topics you need to first get started with. Similarly, when I come to English, in English we see the maximum focus is on grammar part, and then the next maximum focus is on vocabulary as well as the RC parts. Okay, parajumbles have been seen, but the number of parajumbles have been decreasing over the year, and for the last 2 years it's been only one in the paper. Now when I come to the general awareness section, under the general awareness section, I see the maximum questions are around sports, many around a very constant number around history. Then economy is also something which takes a lot of attention, and miscellaneous is can contain anything like books and other stuff, जिनको मैंने अलग से section नहीं दिया है, but yeah, the awards, the books, these all are parts of miscellaneous. So this is the distribution. Now the important thing is कि आप इस distribution को utilize कैसे करोगे. So for utilizing this distribution, you need to work on one platform which provides you everything. And this is the platform I'm talking about, guys. None other than Cat King. Cat King ने अपनी इतनी comprehensive dashboard बनाई हुई है that I literally felt like, oh my goodness, I should have definitely seen that before. यहाँ पर आपको सिर्फ given theories या videos नहीं मिलते, you would get everything specific to CMAT. CMAT specific videos of all the 3 sectionals, along with all the fourth one verbal, as well as you all must be looking for one thing, I know, innovation entrepreneurship. इनोवेशन entrepreneurship के लिए मैंने पीडीएफ में कोई डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन नहीं बताई है, बिकॉज फॉर द लास्ट ईयर ओनली इट वाज कंपलसरी, उससे पहले तो ये सिर्फ ऑप्शनल था. सो दैट्स व्हाई इफ यू सी दिस डैशबोर्ड हैज द इनोवेशन entrepreneurship के 5 specific sectionals. I really inquired about the other platforms and I found out that no one is offering you more than 3, and the ones which are offering you more than 3 are kind of repetitive. You remember, guys, you have a completely dedicated playlist on my YouTube channel as well, जिसमें I have discussed those 400 questions with you of innovation entrepreneurship. मैंने वो PDF भी आपके साथ शेयर की थी, तो उन्हीं में से क्वेश्चंस रिपीट करके दे रहे हैं. दैट मेक्स नो सेंस, बट आई एक्चुअली वेंट थ्रू दीज सेक्शंस एंड आई सॉ दैट हियर द इनोवेशन एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप क्वेश्चंस आर वेरी डिफरेंट and new compared to what PDFs are already in the market available for free. Now let me focus on some other things as well, like the boot camps. So they will be having some live session boot camps with you guys as well for CMAT, along with the videos, along with the reading material, along with the full length mock which are 20 in number. Imagine 20 CMAT के mocks आपको CMAT तक देने के लिए मिलेंगे, वो भी completely new pattern के, which is yet another standout point for Cat King's dashboard. And the last but not the least, the CMAT maximizers. Now CMAT के past year papers के लिए भी आपको कहीं और जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can definitely refer to it in one place itself with the answers which are completely verified. And the last one, that is maximizers, is the best section of this entire dashboard, where you get practice sets. Yes, CMAT special practice sets completely inspired from the previous year paper. You see this? Here you would be able to get all the things of your choice under one roof. एंड इतना सिस्टमैटिक एंड इतना ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैंने अभी तक किसी भी डैशबोर्ड को नहीं देखा है. So I can definitely refer you people that if you are really serious about this last exam of this entire academic calendar, then please, you can definitely make a very focused preparation with the help of Cat King at a very affordable price. I'll be adding the link of this in the description box. Please go and check it out. So with this, I will wind up my video, guys. Just reminding you of the fact that आपके साथ मैंने एक PDF भी शेयर की थी, जिसमें आपको मैंने important topics भी बता दिए हैं. तो based on that, get started with the most important topics of yours and start working on your weak areas as well, ताकि exam close आते आते you are good in all the topics. With this, I'll take your leave, guys. If you like the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Do follow me on Instagram as well. I'll be adding the link in the description box. And most importantly, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That's absolutely free, but would be really helpful for me. Thank you so much. Take care and all the very best for your examination. Hey there, if you're looking for your resumes and CVs to be reviewed for free or want daily newspapers or all self-study material under one roof, then what are you waiting for? Join my Telegram groups where you will also get the latest jobs, internships, trainings and courses updates absolutely for free. And if you want one-on-one counseling, then you can also follow me on Instagram and hit that DM button. Everything will be answered under one place. Thank you so much and peace.